everybody, it's Jerry, and today I'm going to show you how to make Italian wedding soup. Now this is a really hearty soup. It's got vegetables and meatballs and pasta, and it's really delicious. So let me show you how to do it. We're going to start off by making the meatballs. So we're going to take 1 teaspoon of psyllium husk and a 1/4 cup of water, mix that together to make our vegan egg. Meantime, we're going to take some toasted bread, some vegan gluten-free bread, and grind it up to make breadcrumbs, or you can just buy vegan gluten-free breadcrumbs, but we're looking for a 1/2 cup of breadcrumbs. And now we're going to take 1 package of plant-based ground beef. This is Impossible brand, but you could use your favorite brand, and add in the breadcrumbs and a 1/2 cup of grated vegan Parmesan cheese, and a 1/4 cup of chopped parsley, and a teaspoon of oregano. And then we're going to add some salt and pepper to taste, just depending on how much salt you like, and pepper as well. And then just mix everything together until it's all well combined. And we're going to make these meatballs in an air fryer. Now you could also do it in an oven or on the stove top, but I prefer to do it with an air fryer, which I have parchment paper inside the air fryer with some holes cut in it. And so we're just going to take a little oil on our hands and roll meatballs that are about 1/2 inch in diameter. Don't want them to be too big. And just place them in the bottom of the air fryer and continue until you've used up all of the ground beef mixture. And we're going to air fry these at 390 degrees for 4 minutes on one side, and then turn them over. And we're going to cook them for another 4 minutes at 390 on the other side. So just cook them long enough to make sure that they're completely cooked around, so they should be nice and brown, and set them aside. Now we're going to take a little bit of oil in a large pot and heat that up over medium heat. And we're going to add in 1 chopped onion, 2 large carrots which have been chopped, 3 stalks of celery chopped. Mix that together and just let them cook until they're a little bit soft. Around 6 or 7 minutes. And then once they're soft, we're going to add in about 4 to 5 cloves of garlic, which have been chopped up. Mix that in and just let that cook for another couple of minutes. And then we're going to add in some vegetable broth. So we're going to add 8 cups of vegetable broth and 2 cups of water. And we're going to bring that to a boil. Once it starts boiling, we can add in our meatballs, and it's very easy if you've got the parchment paper from the air fryer. And we're going to add 1 cup of dry gluten-free pasta. Now this is orzo, which you can actually get gluten-free. You want a smaller pasta, smallest pasta you can find, and orzo is the smallest that I can find really gluten-free without making it myself, so that's what I tend to use. And just mix that together and let it cook for a few minutes, and then we're going to add in 1 bunch of kale, which has been chopped up. And we're going to continue cooking for as long as it takes for the pasta to cook. So just go according to the package directions, probably around 10 minutes. And then let it cool for a bit, and it's ready to serve up. Now, the longer this soup sits, the more everything will absorb the liquid, so you'll probably have to add more water. Then I'm going to grate some fresh vegan Parmesan cheese on top before serving. And it's ready to eat. Thanks everybody for watching. Please tune in next time for some more recipes, and like and subscribe to the channel, and I will see you next time.